Hello, in this update to the low poly hospital staff, I've added a patient and also a bed. So what you'll see when you run the scene is you'll get a little animation of them going onto the bed, lying down, and the animation just plays the same animations in reverse for them to stand back up. And there we go. Spacebar works the same for randomising different hairs and body tones. There's the male and female, and you can customise the colours of the bed quite easily. Just simply go to the bed material. It uses the same kind of shader as the clothing, so you get full customization of the colours that you want. You can change the colour of the sheets and things, and the frame. But most of the time, those colours that I've given you, those are kind of typical hospital colours that you see often. I've now also added a two-sided shader to the clothing, just as an option, because sometimes you would see right past the gown and you don't really want to see that. So I've created just an alternative of the shader that gives two sides, and it might not be an optimization, but it definitely looks better if you're making something like this. Feel free to switch the shader out on the people, like the doctors and nurses and things, but most of the time you don't really see as much through the bottom of their clothing because of the way they're designed. But you may want to switch the shader out. You can find that shader under the shaders, and it's just here. So it's basically just a copy of the same clothing shader, but it's just got the two-sided enabled. So that is pretty much it. So I'll be looking to make more props as time goes on, and I'll just keep updating the pack with more hospital props, like the holder for the fluids, and maybe some like heart rate monitor and some cabinets and things like that. Maybe eventually it'll become a full pack, but it might end up becoming a separate pack when it becomes a low poly hospital interior or something like that. Thanks for those who have bought this, and I hope you enjoy this update. Thanks for watching. Bye.